In this video, we will discuss a few methods of array in JavaScript. I have first method of push here used in array. Push method appends the given element. For example, I have a given array. I want to add some element. I will push a new element, so push element will add it in the last. I have an array of fruits here containing apple and orange. If I run this with document.write, I will get apple and orange. I have two elements here. Now I want to add something new. I want to add mango. So I will let new array equals to fruits.push mango. Now when I am going to write document.write new array and run it. Now let me write new array. I will see that mango will appear on the screen as new array. Let me line break here, br before new array. Make it more readable. First I had apple orange, now I have mango. Array is already separated with commas. This was push method. Next is pop method. In JavaScript, pop method removes the last element and returns that element. Like I have added mango. Now I want to remove mango. I will make an element with letRemove equals to fruits.pop and will call it. In document.write, I will type remove last element from array. After running, we will see that mango won't be there in the last line. Before, we had apple, orange, then we added mango. After that, I popped mango, so it kept only apple and orange and removed the last element. Push adds new element at the end of array and pop removes the last element. Let's see the method of concat. Let's run it again. Concat method returns a new array comprised of this array joined with two or more arrays. Here I have var alpha with string a, b, c, and in numeric I have 1, 2, 3. What I have done is that I have concatenated alpha with numeric. In this way I will get a, b, c, 1, 2, 3. Both will be concatenated. We will call this file with concat.js and call it again. And see alphanumeric a, b, c, 1, 2, 3. I had these separate with concat. I made them together. In this video, we have discussed three methods: push, pop, and concat.